Okay, so let's say there is one more, there are two more basic quantifiers for consecutive repetition to match the consecutive repetition of any pattern. So let's say I'm going to find the digit nine, but not just single nine. I'm looking to match all those numbers which have nine. uh, at least two times repetition of nine should be there. And it is also possible that I am interested in such matches where more than two occurrences of nine are happening. So you can see that there are five times nine. There are maybe one, two, three, four, one, two, three, four, four and four, eight times nine, four times nine, two times nine, and then three times nine. So by writing this way, two and then comma, nothing else. So we are saying that at least two times and or then more than two times, but at least two must. So we are able to find all the numbers where the and matches the count, just count the matches, how many matches are there. One, two, three, four, five, six matches are there. Fine. So it is not like that कि यहाँ पे आपके यदि 5 हैं तो 5 मैचेस से हो जाएंगे, आपके 8 हैं तो 18 8 5 13 मैच हो गए, नहीं, just 6 मैच. Now let's say you are saying कि रेंज होनी चाहिए मैचेस की, देयर शुड बी रेंज ऑफ मैचेस लाइक 2 to 5, मतलब एटलीस्ट 2 times, then 3 times, or maybe 4 times or 5 times, 5 max 5 times repetition, consecutive repetition of a 9 is acceptable. So this way, this is 4 times, this is 2 times, this is 2 times, this is 3 times, this is 5 times. Now see, we have count 7. Earlier we have count 6. Now this is now being counted 2 times, because the first one is 5 times and this third one is, second one is 3 times. So this way it is being counted. है ना? And if I write something, let's say ABC, whatever we here, then you can see the result explicitly, clearly, right? So this is how it is being created.